Welcome back. In your morning medical news, is your child's mattress secretly making them sick? A new University of Toronto study found toxic chemicals in children's mattresses that release into the air during sleep. Researchers say a child's weight and body heat cause these chemicals to become airborne, where they're easily inhaled. These toxins have been linked to early puberty, asthma, heart problems, and cancer. And pharmaceutical giant Pfizer is abandoning its experimental weight loss pill. The company halting development after a study participant suffered a liver injury potentially linked to the drug. This marks Pfizer's second failed attempt to enter the lucrative weight loss market. Many drug makers are racing to develop weight loss pills following the massive success of injectable medications like Ozempic. A newly approved treatment is giving hope to patients suffering from a rare disease. Derek James introduces us to a Minnesota family who took part in the research.
17-year-old Connor Martin keeps busy.
I play violin. Right now, I play softball.
And he loves going to Minnesota Twins games to see his favorite player. But a little more than 3 years ago, Connor and his family were thrown a curveball.
And then it just felt like he just was sort of slowing down, and I just noticed his reaction time was slower than usual. He was perhaps more clumsy than usual.
His blood work and other tests were normal, but his mom Jessica kept pushing for answers to his medical mystery. Connor was quickly referred to children's neurologist Dr. Jessica Goldstein.
There's a lot of detective work really looking for clues or key elements that kind of point you in one direction or the other.
Within a few months, a diagnosis. Connor had Niemann-Pick disease type C, or NPC.
How did it feel when Dr. Goldstein was able to say, this is what it is?
It was terrifying.
NPC is a rare, inherited, progressive, and fatal neurodegenerative disease. Connor's mom, Jessica, pushed for him to be part of a clinical trial for a new drug called Miplyffa. Since starting the medicine in late 2022, Connor has made improvements.
Really did stabilize things for him pretty quickly. We've seen improvement in swallowing, in speech, and energy level.
The medicines have definitely given us more time and more memories and more opportunities to just enjoy our child.
Which for Connor includes being in the stands for Twins opening day.
We have an okay team this year.
For these rare diseases, gene therapy is really the end game. These treatments are hopefully going to buy us all the time we need to get there.
As his mom continues to swing for a cure.
The medicine Connor takes is one of 2 new FDA drugs. The drugs were approved within weeks of each other last fall as part of a multi-pronged treatment for NPC. Governor Tim Walz getting a first-hand look at Mayo Clinic's massive expansion project. The governor and lawmakers toured the demolition site in Rochester yesterday, where a new patient care facility will soon be built. This marks the first phase of Mayo's bold, forward, unbound expansion plan. The state invested $5 billion into the project, aiming to cement Rochester as a world-class medical destination.
We're getting the payback in terms of improving people's lives that is pretty profound. So it's a very Minnesota thing. It takes some courage and some risk, and the legislators here put that money up with Destination Medical Center. They continue to focus on training and the jobs that are necessary.
It is expected to create jobs in the construction industry over the next several years, while also increasing healthcare jobs once work is complete in 2030.